Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming back at you guys with another video, and today I have a affordable wig video for you guys. So I'm going to be reviewing this hair right here. So if you guys are interested in seeing my thoughts and opinion on this wig, then keep on watching. But before we get on with the video, I need you guys to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell down below. So without further ado, let's get on with the video, guys. Hey guys, what is up? If you're new here, hi, my name is Sophia, and if you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back to my channel, guys. So today I just want to share with you guys this amazing wig that I kind of accidentally stumbled across. I wasn't really shopping around for a new wig. I was just shopping in the beauty supply store, my local beauty supply store, and I end up seeing this wig. Okay, the Outre Neesha H301 quick weave half wig. Okay, and I was like, you know what, Neesha has half wigs. Like, you guys know that I am a huge fan of the Neesha wig. I've been wearing the Neesha wig since 2018. If you guys go through my YouTube channel, if you go through my videos from 2018, you will actually see me wearing the Neesha wig, the original Neesha wig, for like a couple of videos, like a lot of videos actually. And I was wearing that wig for like 2 years. I'm telling you, I on and off obviously, but it was one of my favorite synthetic affordable wigs. Then recently they came out with new Neesha style wigs, which I was wearing all throughout 2020, and then now this whole half wig, and I purchased it. So I was like, let me just try it out, and I've been wearing it for a month now. If you go back to my last 2 videos, which was what's in my makeup kit, you'll see me wearing it. And honestly guys, I don't even believe, like, this for me is my favorite style of Neesha wigs. I'm telling you, this is my favorite out of all the Neesha wigs that I've tried. And I promise you guys, I've tried a lot of Neesha wigs, and I will leave all my reviews and every video that I review on different styles of Neesha, I will leave it down in the description box below so you guys can check it out if you guys want to. But honestly, I feel like this one is like my favorite. It's my favorite. I end up getting another one. I normally would get a style number 2. I just feel like a 2 looks the most natural. I kind of stay clear of color 1 or 1B. I don't know, it's just me. When you get the number 2, the color 2, to me it just lasts longer and it looks natural. But I went to my local beauty supply store. They didn't have it. It was sold out. So I had to order this on Amazon, and they only had a style number 1. I do have my old Neesha half wig, which I will put on so you guys can see the upkeep of it. I did buy it earlier in the month, so I bought it like the first week of February, and it's still intact, guys. So I was like, you know what, let me buy a fresh one for you guys so you guys can see how it is. So this is how it looks like. So if you do go to the beauty supply store, it comes like this. This is the picture right in the front. I bought this for $17 in my local beauty supply store. I did find this wig on Amazon for $30. So you do get it cheaper if you buy it personally, and there's other websites that you could find this for way less. I just like Amazon because I like their 2-day shipping. I trust Amazon, and I don't mind paying the extra coin. So it was $30, this one right here, for when I purchased this one on Amazon. But when I went and bought my original one, the one that I've been wearing for the past month, it was about $17 in the local beauty supply store. It's just sold out. So so this is it right here. We're gonna take it out of the packaging. So this is the wig right here. So it comes in with these big barrel curls type. Shirley Temple, that's what I like to call it. So this is the style. So you see the person wearing it in the center, which you definitely can. And then this picture right here, you can see it wearing to the side, which I normally would do with the wig. So beautiful. I just love this curl. It's soft. It mimics natural hair. I would say that this right here, the texture of it is not as coarse, or not as coarse as the original Neesha. This has a little bit of a softness to it, which I definitely appreciate. But obviously this is a half wig, so when you receive it, you get 2 combs right here in the front, no combs in the middle, which I definitely appreciate, because when there's a comb in the middle, it normally makes the wig look very bulky. So there's no comb in the middle, which I am so happy about. And then you have a comb in the back for extra security. Normally when I do wear this wig, I don't need to use pins. I'm just saying, it just applies easily. It's the most easiest. So I'm gonna set this aside right here, and then we're just going to set up my hair. So we are gonna take, you could take as much hair as you want. I don't like leaving a lot of hair. I think this would be enough. I just washed my hair like 2 days ago, so it's pretty clean. So I'm trying to flatten this out as much as I can. Take a scrunchie. Okay, so I kind of tucked it in the back. I'm taking my wig cap and kind of just placing it in like that. Perfect. This is as much hair. Sometimes I leave less hair than this, but that's up to you. You don't need to leave hair at all. You could just put a headband and call it a day. But I like to leave a little hair. I like to show a little bit of a hairline. I love the fact that it doesn't have any lace for me to, like, you know, cut it or anything like that. Okay, so I'm just running my hands a little bit through it. Girl, look how beautiful this is. Okay. It's so soft. The curls are so bouncy. Oh my gosh, it's just like, it's so nice. It's like one of my favorite wigs, and it's secure. You really don't need to put a pin. Yeah, so this is the hair, guys. Oh my god, like, it looks so good. Okay, so we're just gonna style a little bit in the front area. So I'm taking my edge booster, take this much right here, and just place it in the front of my hair. Just to smooth out my edges a little bit. You can leave it like this if you want and go. Sometimes I like to do this. I'll take like a decorative pin and kind of just snap it in like this to give it a little bit of style. I really love hair accessories like this. I have so many, but this one I love. So this is the best Neesha wig ever. It's not heavy, because if you guys are a Neesha, Outre Neesha wig fanatic like I am, and you would buy like at least 5 of them in a year, this is just the best version of it, because A, it's a half wig and you don't need to leave a lot of your hair out. As you can see, I did that. B, it is super lightweight. It is not heavy, so you could wear this wig for the spring and summertime definitely you could do that. This is fun and easy, super lightweight. It's not heavy, it's not as thick, but it still gives you like that volume that you like, because normally people who love Neesha wigs like I do, they love volume in their hair. They like that volume look, and I definitely like that, and you definitely get that with this hair, but it's not over the top. It's just the right amount. The length is just perfect, and like I said, it is not heavy at all. Synthetic wigs don't last a long time. You get a good month, maybe 2, depending on how much you wear it. My original half wig, Neesha half wig, is still going strong. I bought it in the beginning of February, still going strong. I could wear it if I want to. Okay guys, so I took it off. I just want to share with you guys how the wig that I originally bought last month, the first quick weave Neesha half wig in 301, I have to say it. This is in the color 2. So as you can see, the curls are still intact. So I'm just going to show you how the wear is. So you guys can have an idea. Is how it looks like, guys. I think it still looks amazing, honestly, for every day. And imagine, like, I did style it a lot. I put it up. I did a half up, half down. I've done so much with this hair, you know what I mean? So this is a 2. As you can see, it's a little lighter than the 1. I don't know. I like the 2. It just gives it more of a natural feel, in my opinion. But you know, but the 1 is not as bad. Still good, guys. Like, honestly, I like it older in a way. Give it more of a natural feel. As you can see, as it gets older, it gets a little bigger, but honestly, it's still good, guys. I bought this wig in the first week of February, and we are mid-March, so this is still good. This hair looks like I could roll it over for month 3. That's how good it still is. I haven't trimmed this hair once yet, guys. The ends still look good, okay? The ends still look good, in my opinion anyways, comparing to what other synthetic wigs become. It starts to get hard and you have to trim it. I haven't trimmed it not once. Love this, love it. And it gets bigger as you wear it, and it doesn't lose the curl. You see, I still have curl and I still have body. It's not like this big puff. You could do almost any look if you want. Look at that. See how easy it is to, you know, style this hair? As you can see, this looks amazing. So I had to grab my headband. Beautiful, isn't it? I've been seeing a lot of people rocking this headband. I did see this on Amazon. I will leave a link for this headband. And it comes in all these different colors. Multicolored, black, silver. You know me, I love gold jewelry. I'm always wearing gold. So I picked the gold one, which is so pretty. Look at the details. So I'm just going to put that on right here. Look at that. Beautiful. See how pretty this is? Oh my gosh, like literally, this just elevates whatever look you're going for. Definitely a brunch, Easter Sunday type headband. If you're going somewhere formal, definitely you could put this on with this hair, guys. Don't this look kind of luxurious? So if you guys are really into curls and affordable wigs, try this out. This is so nice. I'm just like blown away. This is my review, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, but I just wanted to share with you guys this amazing wig. I absolutely love it, and the great part about this is that it's affordable. So yeah, so let me know what you guys think of this video, of this wig actually, and if you guys have any recommendation on synthetic or affordable half wigs or wigs in general, let me know and leave it down in the description box down below. I love finding wigs, especially wigs like this that looks super natural, that has that curl, that has that va-va-voom, that volume that I love so much. So if you have anything in mind that, you know, that's similar to this, or, you know, that's in this family, let me know and leave it down in the comments down below, because I will check it out, and who knows, maybe I'll film it. So that's pretty much it, guys. I will see you guys in a few days with another video. Bye, guys.